Are you looking for a powerful belt grinder in a small package? Then check out this Kalamazoo Industries 4x48 belt grinder. It features a 3 horsepower ball door motor. It turns this 4x48 belt at 7,200 feet per minute. This grinder has a 4-inch by 10-inch platen, as well as a fully adjustable work rest to be able to get the different angles that you're trying to work with. It features an 8-inch lower contact wheel, and this machine can be rotated down horizontally at 90 degrees for flat grinding on this platen here. So this 4x48 grinder is available in 110 power, 220 single phase, and 220 3-phase power. And there's an available stand to bolt it on, or you can buy it as the unit itself to bolt onto a workbench. So belt changes and tracking are made real easy on this machine. So if you spin these wing nuts off the side door, take the little washers off, flip the door open. There's a lever here on the side, and this is how you release the tension on the belt. So it's spring loaded. So you push this down, you slide your belt off, slide your new belt on, and then release tension, and it automatically tensions the belt. So adjusting the tracking is real easy with this bolt here. Either way you turn it, it'll rotate the top idler wheel to get your tracking in line, and once you're done with that, you close the door, pop the little washers back on, screw the wing nuts back on here, and then you're ready to roll. Flip this arm back over. If you're interested in this Kalamazoo 4x48 belt grinder, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.